Group set is kind of a science project. Group set is the new SRAM Force Axis Explorer 13 speed. I actually got the first SRAM Red ETAP group set when it came out like 10 or 12 years ago. It's super impressive how far the group set has come. It's like incredibly smooth. The brakes are amazing. You really just like can use one finger on the brakes and they're super smooth. Because I'm crazy, I put the sprint shifters in here as well on a gravel bike. Don't judge me.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, little blips down here. Can also shift up here. I like to have a lot of different shifters. You know, when you're going for hundreds and hundreds of miles, you want as much versatility as possible. So yeah, SRAM 13-speed Force Explorer. I got the Force Explorer rear derailleur back here. Up front, I am running a 1x46 tooth Aero chainring with a power meter, cork power meter dual side.